Hello everyone, this is Dr. Ranjit, working as Assistant Professor in Department of Mechatronics Engineering, SRS College of Technology. So today we are going to discuss about a case study on improving the material property of main landing gear links. First of all, so what is a main landing gear link? So it is a link which is attached to the aero vehicle for the purpose of landing. While landing, the link will get opened and the entire weight of the aero vehicle will impose it on this landing gear while get landing. So when the vehicle is landed, a sudden impact force is applying on this landing gears. Apart from that, different it will inhibit different environments like corrosive environment because the aero vehicle is supposed to travel above, so are supposed to fly above 1,000 feet. At such a high environment, it is imposed to the corrosion environment such as H2S, NaCl environments. So our idea is to improve the material property without sacrificing any strength. So the main constant of main landing gear is it should be fit in a confined place. Hence, idea of redesigning the material is or redesigning the structure is limited. So we have to design the same structure at that confined place, but at the same time we have to improve the property of the material. And empathy part. So what is the empathy? So our big challenge or our empathy part is stress corrosion cracking is a serious problem encountered in MLG links. Challenges include improving the stress corrosion cracking without affecting the tensile strength, wear resistance, flexural strength, and harness without affecting these properties. Because if we sacrifice any of these properties, it will lead to the failure of the entire aero vehicle. Hence, our ultimate idea is to improving the SEC without sacrificing any of the property. And to attain this, we are going with an reinforcement of a material or material used in main landing gear links. We are reinforcing main landing gear links with silicon carbide. The size of the silicon carbide is 25 mesh size, and this is the this picture. This is the same images which show all the silicon carbide is completely bonded inside the aluminum, and this is EDAX has the highest peak source aluminum as well as silicon, which implies the silicon is bonded in the aluminum alloy, and this is the shape of boron carbide, and this is the shape of silicon carbide. So we had reinforced the aluminum alloy with silicon carbide as well as boron carbide. This is the entire microstructure. And while reinforcing, what happens when sliding at a higher velocity? What happens while reinforcing? A mechanical mixed layer is formed. So this reinforcement prevents the breakdown of this mechanical mixed layer compared to that of unreinforced material. Hence, property of material property will get automatically will get increased. So without sliding, that is this is a aeroplane load. It is sliding at a velocity. So a mechanical mixed layer is formed, which will increase the material property by avoiding direct contact between the land and the landing gear. And stress corrosion, we had taken stress corrosion cracking test, which implies this is the stress corrosion cracking ratio. Higher the ratio, better the stress corrosion cracking, which is at a constant corrosive environment, a constant stress is applied on the material, which is nothing but the time taken to break down at corrosive environment to that of the air environment. So the composite shows better structure. And what is the solution? So the solution to improve the composites is to improve the material properties to reinforce with it with boron carbide as well as silicon carbide. Hence, we will input SEC without sacrificing properties. Thank you.